Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all students? Hope so you are all fine, safe and sound. Today we discuss about the story of London, how they developed. Light in the Night is the name of the story of your book. Story explains progress and development of British Empire and darkness of 1700 century in London, how they progress in every field. It also focuses on advantage of light, how it is helpful. Whenever people have to go outside for some task, they took advantage of moonlight and go out, but it was quite risky for their life. They were attacked or robbed by criminals. Sometimes criminals killed them to snatch money. While with the passage of time, clay pots are used to enlighten and placed in windows. Oil is placed in clay pots and enlighten the whole night. It's necessary to enlighten them whole night so there is a light in the streets or roads and people walk in comfortable way, nobody attack them. In 1700, as time progresses, lanterns are placed in window of houses. Government enforced laws to enlighten them whole night so people which are weak outside the house are safe and sound. In 1805, government take action and fixed gas lamps in streets and roads and all over the city of London. They appointed men to enlighten gas lamps. In this way, they give employment to many men. They paid for this job to males and make them responsible to lighting it whole night. People start to came there for business and trade when they saw the progress of London. Some richest people also hired any men to move in front of them to enlighten the road and streets. They pay pounds, it's the currency of London, for this task. The time comes when lights are fixed in whole city and it enlightened the whole city. The whole city become luminous and glamorous and beautiful. People feel secure and safe, and people of other countries came there for business, trade, enjoyment, tourism, for different activities. Now I discuss the poem No. It is written by Thomas Hood. In this poem, No, the name of poem is No. The poet Thomas Hood describes the bleakness of number, how it affects everything. Everything is isolated and distorted and disturbed the activities of people from their normal life. The poem focuses on the social isolation and disorientation of routine activities of people. A heavy fog covers everything, the sun, the moon, and the roadways and parks, even the faces of people on the streets and roads everywhere. Traveling stops because of fog. If people travel, then accident may happen. So traveling stop down in this season. Traveling is stopped, so there are no activities. People are not moving, and there are no deliveries of mails and other posts, and no ship arriving with people for activities like tourism and business. Visitors also stay away because the autumn leaves fall from the tree and there is nothing to enjoy for tourists. Fall, fog call, fog kill the flowers and fruits and birds are confined to their nest and bees are also confined to their caves and butterflies. There is nothing to cheer or enjoy in the city. See you next.